feeling ko kasi I'm a beauty guru. Kiniklaim ko na talaga siya dahil. Kasi parang I want to have, there's a relationship kasi between client and doctors. But sometimes the client doesn't have a courage to talk with doctors. Parang they feel much more comfortable with the people na nag-undergo na ng surgeries or may beauty sa merong eye with the ano. So parang I'm the middleman of the person who wants to undergo any beautification but they don't have courage or trust with the doctors. Kasi may ganun. And me, I'm the middle channel to the right doctor or to the right clinic. Yun yung expertise ko kasi. Sa tagal kong may eye sa beauty, knowledge ko because of my experiences din and the mga pinagawa ko, parang I think I am the right person to, to tell you which doctors or which clinics you can undergo with. Kasi some people, they do change because they want lang na magyabang or parang para siyang social status na kasi ngayon eh. Before, para siyang tabu na naabutan ko yung ganung era na parang pag may pinagawa ka, sobrang big issues na parang, uy, kasi ganito, ganyan. Parang, kasi ikaw mahihiya. Kaya parang ako, lagi ko sinasabi, Dok, gusto yung natural, yung hindi halata. Sometimes kasi may mga doctors na yung expertise nila sa babae, magaling sila mag-surgery ng babae, meron din naman magaling mag-surgery ng lalaki, meron namang expertise nila, mag-ilong lang, yung iba mag-boobs, mga ganon. Throughout the years, dito sa Philippines, na nakikita ko talaga kung sino yung mga magagaling na doctors. So that's why parang madali ako nakakapag-refer. In the last episode, I talked about events and the responsibilities that comes with handling important moments. But today, I want to talk about something just as personal. It's all about beauty. Not to glamorize the version, but the part people that don't always talk about it. Welcome to Kerbu. This is a space for conversation about creating beautiful things, whether that's events, ideas, growth, or moments that matter. I'm Jerome, and this is the beginning.